Hi there, my name is Marcy Hutton, and I was speaking with Donald there last week. He said that this was the best email to send this custom video that I'm going to shoot for you guys off to, although I don't know if he was sure who was going to be able to take a look at it. But I'll follow up and make sure that somebody did have a chance to see. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 3 things that you guys could start doing today in order to add value to your company and beat out your competitors online. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I do this and what's in it for me? But what I found is with internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes their only hesitation in hiring somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those business owners raising their hand and saying, please do this for me. So if you like what by the end of the video you like what you see and you want to talk about it, that's cool. And if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I give you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over with you are content, citations, and backlinks. There's pretty well three steps, 3 keys to ranking a website, and these are it. So to start with content, when I'm highlighting these areas, that's what I mean by content, the images, the words that are on the homepage of your website. When Google goes out there, when it sees a website's hit the internet, the first thing it's going to do is jump in there and crawl your site, and what it's wanting to accomplish is it's wanting to discover what it is you do and where it is you're located, so that when somebody searches on their search engines for something specifically, then they know and they can serve up the most relevant results. They want to see 1,000 to 1,500 words of keyword rich, authoritative, unique content on a homepage. That's their favorite. More is always better, but they like to see at least that, because when they see that, they see a site, it's only got a couple hundred words, and then the one next to it has that, they're going to see that site as the expert in the market, and they're definitely going to show them higher in the search results. So content is important. Second thing, and I'll just quickly go over how they set out their the first page. The key search term that I used for this example here was general contractor Vancouver. So in this case, we've got paid ads. They're going to always be at the top. Next section is the map section, and then down here we call this the organic section. So what I did to give an example when I talk about backlinks, the second thing here, is I took the first site that was ranking organically, first of your competitors, to use as a comparison with this tool. So to begin with, what a backlink is it's a clickable link that links from another website to yours. If you think of Google as a big popularity contest, when another site links to yours, Google kind of sees that as, other sites are paying attention to you. This guy must be popular. Let's move him up in the search then. He's getting attention from everybody else. Now, in saying that, not all links are created equal. Definitely vary in the weight and power that they carry. You want them to be relevant to what it is you do. You want them to be coming from sites that Google trusts. But what I've done here is I've put your site into this tool that shows me what's going on behind the scenes, and it shows that you have 54 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you about 500 backlinks, and you're being found for 500 words. That there was approximately 11 visitors that come to your site a month, that find your site organically. Now, comparing to that one that's in the number 1 position, they have 141 referring domains, quite a few backlinks here, and they're being found for 175 words. So that would have to tie. That's what ties in with the content there. And then they're getting almost a couple hundred visitors to their site on average. So that just as a quick overview of how the backlinks and the content work. You can see, well, let's find out what kind of traffic he's getting. So, yes, see, build your content, general contractors, Vancouver. There's approximately 70 searches a month for that term. They're in the #1 position for it. Vancouver contractors, about 60 searches, again, the #1 position. Vancouver general contractors, about 100 search. General contractors, 250. Here in the 7th position, that would be putting him near the bottom of the first page. There's usually about 7 to 10 positions for each page, so that would put him at the bottom of the first page. But you can see that that's contributing to that volume of customers being brought in or brought to his website each month. And then the third thing is citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number. So where the content and the backlinks play in boosting you up in the organic rankings, it shows that the more citations that you have, beat out your competitors with numbers of citations, will help to push you up in this section here. So yeah, those are the 3 things. The citations, the content, the backlinks, that will all help to get you on the first page. Statistics show that there's about 80% of the clicks going to websites, and people finding websites, they find them through clicking on the sites that are showing up on the first page. So that's what information that I have for you. I'm going to leave it at that today. I'm going to send this off, and as I said, I'll follow up. Maybe it'll be Donald that I get on the phone there, and I'll make sure that somebody had a chance to watch this video. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Talk to you soon.